Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to turn off dark mode in Microsoft Excel. As we can see, we have this dark mode. To remove it, File, Account, Office Theme, select colorful or white. So you can select any option from white or colorful. So this way you can remove dark mode in Excel, and same method will apply in Microsoft Word. In the account you can select dark or colorful. PowerPoint, dark or colorful. So almost this method will work in all versions of Microsoft Office. In just 2 steps, you can remove or you can enable dark mode in Office programs. So thanks for watching.